Your $1,200 iPhone costs the same to make as a $400 Android. This isn't speculation, it's manufacturing reality. Apple, Samsung, and Google are running the biggest tech scam of 2024. They've convinced millions to pay premium prices for identical hardware. The performance gap? Gone. The camera difference? Marketing smoke? The build quality advantage? Complete fiction. Here's what they don't want you to know. Every flagship phone today uses nearly identical components from the exact same suppliers. TSMC makes the chips. Samsung Display makes the screens. Qualcomm provides the modems. We're talking about 60 to 70% component overlap across every major brand. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in your Galaxy S24, it's within 10% performance of Apple's A17 Pro. Both phones have 6.7-inch OLED displays. Both hit 120 Hz refresh rates. Both pump out 1,500 nits of brightness. Both pack 4,500 to 5,000 tailor-made batteries that last exactly one day. The manufacturing costs are nearly identical. Yet somehow Apple charges $1,199 while OnePlus charges $699 for the same user experience. The convergence happened quietly between 2020 and 2024. Supply chains merged, manufacturing standards unified, performance gaps evaporated, but brands kept their premium pricing intact. This created the largest artificial markup in consumer tech history. Take computational photography. Every phone now uses AI-powered night mode, portrait processing, and scene optimization. The results? Virtually indistinguishable. Professional camera tests show less than 5% quality difference between flagship devices. Battery technology? All lithium-ion cells from the same handful of suppliers. All phones die after exactly 1 day of heavy use. Display technology? Samsung makes screens for everyone, including Apple. Same factory, same specs, different logos. The user interface argument is dead too. Recent usability studies prove iOS versus Android accounts for less than 5% of daily user experience differences. Everything else is identical. Apps work the same, performance feels the same, features function the same. Here's the smoking gun. Manufacturing costs for flagship phones range from $400 trillion, $500 million maximum. Every major brand pays similar component prices. Yet retail prices span from $600 trillion, $1,300. That's not innovation pricing. That's pure brand taxation. Companies are charging $800 premiums for logos and marketing stories. Nothing more. The $200 trillion. $400 price difference between comparable flagships represents zero functional superiority. You're paying for Apple's marketing budget, not better technology. You're funding Samsung's advertising campaigns, not superior engineering. The hardware is commoditized. The software is converged. The performance is identical. Smart consumers are catching on. They're buying $600 phones that perform identically to $1,200 devices. The premium phone market is about to collapse. Manufacturers know this. That's why they're panicking about declining sales. The secret is out. Flagship phones are identical hardware sold at artificial markups. Stop paying the brand tax. Hit subscribe if this opened your eyes. The phone industry's biggest lie just got exposed.